Instead of a Sunday tinkering in the workshop, we're going for a Sunday drive out. We're going to Barnard Classic and Retro Car Show. So we're off to the Barnard Classic and Retro Car Show. So far the weather seems pretty good, that's positive. It's not very far from where we live, so that's nice and easy to get there. It's quite a good show. Here we are at the Barnard Classic and Retro Car Show. Got a little pickup just parked there on the end. It's quite early in the morning so far and there's already quite a lot of cars here. The good thing about this show is there's a great variety of stuff. Sometimes those owners clubs come and they might have 6 or 7 cars together, but more often than not it's just every row is just something different. Well, that was a pleasant day out at the car show at Barnard Castle. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Good mix of cars. I've taken some footage which I'll put together a little video, maybe put it out next weekend. But in the meantime, thanks for watching as usual. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.